So in this video, I will go through the literature review of the implementation of blockchain smart contracts. I will review two papers. The first one being smart contract-based trading mode using blockchain and machine learning. And the other is CrowdBC, blockchain-based decentralized framework for crowdsourcing. So in both papers, they have implemented smart contracts on the blockchain platform. With the first paper, the smart contracts based data trading mode, implementing the use of smart contracts to handle data being traded. So this paper, the data trading model, they address the concern of the existing model being vulnerable as it has a copy of data being transmitted. They address that regardless of there being an aggregation center where they implement the use of application interfaces, APIs, to transfer data, it is still possible to obtain this data, and thus this is insecure for the information being transmitted, as the third party can retain copies. So the paper proposes a blockchain solution using smart contracts, where smart contracts are defined and they exist already on the blockchain. So once a data buyer or a data trader or a data owner intends to transfer data, then they have to make a direct call to these smart contracts. The paper CrowdBC, a blockchain-based decentralized framework for crowdsourcing as well, implements a blockchain solution. It addresses that the existing crowdsourcing platforms have faced issues in terms of denial of service attacks and system shortages, at times system outages. And there's also a concern on privacy of crucial information existing on the platforms. With this, there have been reported privacy breaches uncovering user identities, and they therefore provide a solution using blockchain smart contracts, where they set up contracts in the definition of workers being assigned jobs and processing of payments as well. So for the structure of smart contracts, we understand that the blockchain network differs from the existing architecture of internet applications, in that the existing architecture requires a setup of a server and a client, where the client makes requests which are handled by the server. And in this case, the server is the parent. Even in the case of distributed systems, it's just multiple servers sharing responsibility of handling requests. So in the blockchain technology, every node has the power to write to the network. The network is run and maintained by the stakeholders, who are the users. But all this information to be written on the network, for it to be written to the blockchain, it has to be verified. And it is verified by the miners. So these smart contracts as well, the blockchain now supports not only writing of records, but as well as writing of programs. So the structure of the smart contracts, they define the data to be captured, the functions which define whatever actions the user may take, and methods to allow manipulations of data. So this is the structure, the general structure of smart contracts, and as implemented as well.